Now, several Bollywood bigwigs have felt the heat after coming under Wankhede scanner from the year 2011. But allegations by a Maharashtra minister have now cast some serious doubts over Wankhede's career so far. Let's take a listen.
In normal circumstances, Sameer Wankhede would have been just another senior Narcotics Control Bureau officer, working in the shadows to bring down drug kingpins. But then, Wankhede is no ordinary NCB officer. After all, he's the man who arrested Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan. Again, Wankhede is no stranger to handling celebrities. In fact, his rise has been proportional to the cases he has handled. Wherever Wankhede goes, you can be sure headlines follow. In 2011, an airport customs department team headed by him stopped and interrogated Shah Rukh Khan at the Mumbai airport for carrying excess luggage. Wankhede ensured that SRK paid a fine of 1.5 lakh rupees before he left the airport. Actors Minisha Lamba, Anushka Sharma and Bipasha Basu were all detained at the airport in 2011 for alleged illegalities. There were other Bollywood bigwigs too who felt the heat after coming under Wankhede's scanner. Ranbir Kapoor, Katrina Kaif and singer Mika Singh were also stopped by Wankhede's team and paid fines for irregularities. Wankhede then moved out of airport vigilance to the service tax department, and his first big cases led to director Anurag Kashyap having to cough up a 60 lakh penalty for evasion. He also summoned actor Vivek Oberoi for evading service tax on 40 lakh rupees, which he received from producers. But Wankhede came into real limelight last year. As zonal head of Narcotics Control Bureau, he arrested Riya Chakrabarti over charges of consumption of drugs and her WhatsApp chats. Actors Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan were also grilled in connection with Riya's chats. Actor Arman Kohli was arrested by Wankhede's team on charges of drug consumption in August this year. But allegations by a Maharashtra minister have now cast some doubts over Wankhede's stunning results wherever he has gone. Questions are now coming up if he is a pliant officer who does hit jobs on celebs for money, or is he an upright officer out to clean up a dirty system? With Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik's fresh attack on NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede. NCP leader has now tweeted a picture of Sameer Wankhede's marriage certificate of his first wedding with Shabana Qureshi. Nawab Malik pointed out that NCB officer's name on that marriage certificate is Sameer Dawood Wankhede, trying to highlight that he was Muslim or he had a Muslim name earlier. In his tweet there, Maharashtra minister has said with this picture, he wants to expose the fraudulent means by which the NCB officer obtained a caste certificate only to get a job at the Indian Revenue Services under SC quota. Wankhede had recently issued a statement denying any of those wrongdoings and claiming that such personal attacks were defamatory in nature and, of course, aimed at maligning his family.
मेरा सवाल इतना ही है कि समीर दाऊद वानखेड़े ने फर्जी दस्तावेज के आधार पर शेड्यूल कास्ट का सर्टिफिकेट बनवाया और उस सर्टिफिकेट के आधार पर कंपटीशन में बैठे IRS का पद हासिल किया।
Well, furthermore, in addition to the caste forgery charge, Nawab Malik has also questioned Sameer Wankhede with regard to that cruise drug bust case, claiming that an international drug mafia was present on that cruise ship when it was raided on 2nd of October. But NCB officers decided to ignore and let that cruise ship go on that party and went after a selected few. Here's what he said.
लेकिन मेरी जानकारी है कि एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ड्रग माफिया उस पार्टी में था। उसकी एक माशुका भी है जो बंदूक के साथ थी, जो उस डांस में नाचते हुए नजर आया है। वो दाढ़ी वाला है। वो दाढ़ी वाला कौन है, सारे एनसीबी के लोग जानते हैं। और हमें लगता है कि इस पूरे खेल में जो दाढ़ी वाला है उसकी मित्रता वानखेड़े साहब से भी है।
Well, meanwhile, a plea has now been filed in the Bombay High Court by a cleric and a Mumbai businessman against Nawab Malik. In fact, the PIL urges the court to restrain Malik from commenting on the NCB probe, saying they were demoralizing a non-corrupt officer, Sameer Wankhede.
नवाब मलिक साहब जो है एक बहुत रिस्पेक्टेबल मिनिस्टर हैं और वो सरकार के पार्ट है। अगर उनको ये लगता है कि किसी ने कुछ गलत किया है तो वो उस हिसाब से कानून बना सकते हैं, एक्शन ले सकते हैं। आप उनके वाइफ के बारे में बोल रहे हो, उनके पर्सनल बारे में बोल रहे हो, तो ये और कुछ नहीं है। आपके खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई हुई थी आपके जवाई के खिलाफ, आप उसका एक काउंटर ब्लास्ट कर रहे हो, विच इज़ नॉट परमिसिबल।
तो आप क्या चाह रहे हैं कि अब अदालत में कब होगी इसकी सुनवाई? आपने पिटीशन तो फाइल कर दी है।
देखिए, आज अभी मैं मेंशन कर रहा हूँ ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस की कोर्ट में, और जैसे ही लिस्टिंग होगी वी विल डेफिनेटली आर्ग्यू अवर मैटर।
Now, the Maha Aghadi government versus Narcotics Bureau face-off only escalates, with the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray now writing, in fact, he's all set to write a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over alleged portrayal of Bollywood in bad light. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has said that Uddhav Thackeray is concerned about the Hindi film industry being portrayed in bad light. The Chief Minister is worried that negative portrayal of film industry could result in people dependent on that industry being rendered jobless there. In fact, Aghadi government, the minister there has added that film industry's contribution to the country's GDP is close to 4%. Remember, Uddhav Thackeray, during his Dashera address, had hit out at the Narcotics Control Bureau, accusing it of arresting Bollywood celebrities only for publicity.
संपूर्ण जगात माझ्या महाराष्ट्रामध्येच गांजा चरस ह्याचा व्यापार तुफान चाललेला आहे, असं सगळीकडे चाललेलं आहे। बरं, असं काही नाहीये की केवळ महाराष्ट्रामध्येच तुम्हाला हे सगळं सापडते। हे दोन बातम्या आणखीन एक म्हणजे मुंद्रा अदानी बंदराचा तपास करा हे कोर्टाने सांगितलेलं। तिकडे करोडो रुपयाचा अंमली पदार्थांचा साठा सापडलेला आहे, करोडो रुपये। कुठे येतो हे मुंद्रा आणि अदानी बंदर? तुम्ही इकडे चिमूटभर गांजा तुम्ही म्हणजे ते हुंगत असताना माझ्या पोलिसांनी 150 कोटी रुपयाची ड्रग्ज मुंबईत जप्त केलेली आहेत। कोणाला तरी एक सेलिब्रिटी घ्यायचा आणि त्याला पकडला म्हणून ढोलकी वाजवायची, फोटो काढून घ्यायचे।